Hey, Anasya.
Hey Vikram, how are you?
Good, good, good. Thank you. Anyone else joining?
No idea because I don't see any message over here.
Yeah, because last time everyone said next week. So
Oh,
they said next week. Okay. So in terms of, I guess, let's start discussion in that case, not waiting for anyone else.
yeah.
Have we started on women in blockchain?
No, I have not. I was completely caught up with my submission, this, that, and
Okay.
kind of product launch. Everything was there. So we haven't completely uh, in market, but
Okay.
kind of
I guess,
ready with it.
I understand that, but I guess, we should start spending at least, couple of hours,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah, yeah. So like today,
A couple of, we can do
yeah,
that.
just yesterday, today only, these are somewhat getting settled with. So I will be spending from today onwards time. So I will create that form probably like tomorrow before midday. I will
That, we
create
are
that
looking
and
for.
share it in the group.
Yeah, I probably, we would want to put that in, probably LinkedIn that, we're looking for nomination.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey,
That that we can get it done probably. Like we can have that like by tomorrow we will be
right.
publishing that.
I'll call
So
you guys.
yeah.
Hey, call the listed child now. Okay. So, sorry, you're saying tomorrow, is it? Tomorrow we announce or today?
Pardon?
Sorry, you were saying today or tomorrow? Sorry,
Tomorrow, before midday, I will have that form ready and give it in the group so you people can have a look and post that like,
don't, so we already have done it many times. So whatever, form we had previously,
yeah, yeah, yeah. Whatever changes need to be done, that we will be incorporating and I will put that.
yeah, simply, once you are done, I think, simply, put it up, I would suggest.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No need
Okay,
for consensus and all. I believe, we are all in consensus already. So, let's do that in that case. No?
okay,
Let's, launch it tomorrow. And, all we are doing is that, you're saying it, that we are having it. So, we are not putting up date as of yet, right? Or have we some date in mind? Do you have any date in mind, Anasya?
no.
You're on mute.
Vikram,
It's not
you're
speaking.
not audible properly. Like,
Just give me 1 second. Allow me 1 second. Hello.
yeah, it's better,
Hello. How about
Vikram.
now? Okay. Yeah, I was saying that, do we have any date in mind? That when do we want to do that? I know that we had discussed few of the things, but I believe we are already very late. So do we have a date
Yeah,
in
on
mind?
7th we kept it, I believe.
7th of
March.
7th of March we can't do it. We are already in February. I don't think we can do 7th of March. So we'll have to push it, I believe.
Okay.
Yeah, so we could do probably end of March or first week of April, I believe. Those are the dates that we can do. Even if you plan for 7th of March, we won't be able to get people, won't be able to tell people, right?
Okay. Anything is fine for me.
So then, let's say that, the dates, if you want to say, instead of dates, you could put that, first week of April. Should we, call it like that? And then we'll decide, if we want to prepone or postpone. At least, maybe for now, let's call it first week of April.
No, first week of April won't work. It is Good Friday, that thing, Easter.
Okay.
So,
Okay. So you're saying, okay, last week of March, then, let's put it
yeah,
like that, last week of March.
28th Saturday you are telling, right? 28th will
Yeah,
work.
yeah, yeah. Yes. So let's, then, go that way that, we will say that, it would be fourth week of March. Or if you want to put up date, I think let's put that date and, we can change afterwards, right? But for now, just to expedite this, I think we should launch a form saying we
Mm-hmm.
are, inviting nominations,
Yeah.
and we'll put up that post,
Yeah, sure, sure.
right? And you anyhow, you lead every time, right? These things. So that's why I'm saying that,
Yeah, yeah.
it
Like
will
I
be.
will get it done. No, actually today till 10 o'clock calls are there back to back. So I will sit
Hmm.
tomorrow morning and I will publish it
Okay,
before
then
meeting.
we'll rely only on you for this post, because
Okay.
otherwise, it would, if we get into discussion, then it would again, delay it a lot.
No, I
So
will
at
do
least
it. I
let's
will do
start
it.
inviting.
Like I will keep
Yeah.
as the first priority and tomorrow morning first job to complete.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
So I guess that takes care of the first part. So as part of it, do you have any questions, or do you think you wanted to, like, we can use this time to discuss if you had something in mind that
No, like, are
uh,
we specifically any topics? Because I remember last time,
I,
like, we were
hmm.
generally we will ask or specific any topics we have to mention.
Yeah, in that case, I would recommend that, because, based on our experience, I believe the topics, let's have, AI into the mix as well, AI and blockchain,
Yeah.
or decentralized AI. So, those kind of topics, I believe, would be of interest to you people.
Yes.
And one of the sessions, we should be about talking about, I believe, that, what all is new in terms of Hyperledger, right? And
Mm-hmm.
in LFDT, what all the new projects are there, or any new releases that have happened, or what are the feedbacks or experiences people have. So one
Yeah.
topic we can have, one, probably discussion we can have about that, and we can let people talk. Second session would should be about the use cases and all that, how we are seeing AI into the mix, right? The
Yes.
first
Yes.
first one was plain blockchain, right? The
Mm.
second one includes AI and blockchain.
And
That
blockchain.
what are the use cases that we are looking at, and first one was just releases, updates, experiences with plain blockchain. Second with decentralized AI, and then of course rest of the sessions, what should be, I think, one should be about, again, about academia, right? And because we have that student chapter society, so one session should be dedicated for that, I believe. So three sessions, I think, are clear. We can have one fireside chat or something like that. And I have been, of the opinion that we should include people who are actually working on it as business, right? So not just the implementers, but the actual users of it, or those who are impacted by it. Probably we should have one kind of panel of those kind of people. So not from IT background, not the IT people, the actual real world, I would say, you know business, I guess, folks, right?
Okay.
So I believe these are some of the topics, and rest we can have, probably one, we can talk about identity and what is happening. I believe these three four topics, and you can add couple more topics, and let people nominate, and within that, choose what topic they are interested in, right?
Okay.
Which people choose that, hey, I'm interested in this topic or that topic, multi choice, right? Multiple choice, so
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
they can choose among those topics. And once we have the detail, then we'll know that who can be fit here,
Okay. Okay. So we'll get that done.
right? Makes sense, right? What are
Yeah.
your thoughts? What are you thinking otherwise?
No, that's good for me. Like Kamlesh, Kartikeya, any updates? Hi, how are you? First.
Yeah, good. So I think this is right. I think, but we should at least 15 days, right? We discuss
Yeah.
be some enough candidate for the speaking slot. Now we just have 1 month, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah, so yeah,
let's
Kamlesh, what I was saying, sorry, Kamlesh, what I was saying, I don't know what time you joined. What I was saying, we don't think we can make it to,
yeah,
7th
70,
of
right?
March.
Mhm.
Yeah, so we should go for 28th, so that we have enough time to get nominations, and then have it, because at least it would be the same month, right? So 28th of March we were thinking. How about you?
Yeah, March, okay, end March. Because we do
Yeah,
we
end of March, right?
time.
First week of March we can't do. I think we are already too late.
Hmm.
Initially we planned for 7th, so 7th is not feasible.
Hmm.
So what I was saying that as part of it. So have you heard what topics I was discussing, or shall I
Yeah, I
repeat?
discussed. I know, like you AI and blockchain, then plain blockchain, then
Yeah,
domain
one for
connectivity.
identity, one for academia, and probably one fireside chat, that
Mm.
people can propose. And in the form, people should be able to choose what all topics they are interested in to speak at, so that, once we are doing it, we would see that, where more people are aligned and all. And one should be only about, the impacted users, not really, the IT folks, not the
Yeah,
implementers, because generally we have implementers talking about it. So instead,
yeah.
if we can find someone, even if not in geography, we can look at it, in some way. Anyhow, it's online, so we can have, one of the sessions of the time as well. And I know
Mm.
there was someone who, there was someone that was being planned, right? Which David had sent an email.
Yeah, there is a, but I think they are doing right. They are managing. So we just they were just included in the CC only, but they are doing it. They're
Okay.
managing. Okay.
Okay. So there is no, so just to check, there is no expectation from us on that part, is it?
Yeah, there's no expectation from us.
Okay, then that works. Okay. So I think that's what I requested Anasuya that if she can help us with and launch this form by tomorrow, and we don't need too many people to say yes or no, because it's
Okay.
a standard format, and majority of the things we have already agreed upon. Date also we agreed, so we
Yeah.
can directly go with the launch. At least the initial post by tomorrow, so that
Okay.
we
28th
start receiving
March with that,
nominations.
right? And
Yeah,
timings?
28th March.
Timings?
Timings, we generally go for what, 11 to 2?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, 11 to 2 should do, I think.
Yeah. There is no need for lunch break and all, right? We will, in one stretch,
No,
we
no,
will
no, there
finish
is no
and we
break.
will,
11 to 2, right? There is no
yeah.
lunch break.
Yeah.
Anyhow, this is,
It's
virtual, right? So
online only.
lunch
Yeah.
break. Yeah, so anytime, people can have lunch, so there is no need for breaks.
Yeah. Okay, then all good about that. We can go ahead. And
So we would be collecting, people's photographs, people's bio. I think
yeah,
let
yeah.
people upload the photograph as well mandatorily,
Yes,
because
yes,
otherwise we
I
have
will
to
make
every
that
time go to
mandatory.
LinkedIn
Yes.
and figure that out.
Mm.
We will not figure it out. We will ask them to upload their photographs.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, right. So that would then make sense to have it,
I will
and
connect it
their
with the
bio as well.
proper folder, so it will be accessible by everybody in our this thing. So making
Yeah, makes
progress will
sense.
also be easy.
Correct. And we will start introducing, and probably this time we'll use Twitter a bit as well, I believe.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Hmm. And one session we can keep for ourselves, probably 5-10 minutes. For example, probably if Daniela can speak, or you folks can speak about some of the topics, I believe, right? So that we then to give a closer note,
Oh,
right? We should invite Daniela as well, to
yeah,
see, or otherwise, what we could do is we can have that recorded. If Daniela can't make it on that day, we can request her to record it, and we will play that recording initially, and then begin with the rest of the,
yeah.
right, because timing it may not suit her. So in that case, we will get her a recording, or if she can be present, then we can even move time a bit here or there, I believe.
Okay.
But that is a later part, right? So that we will figure out later. For now, we should begin like this, I believe.
Yeah, yeah. I will get that done.
Hmm. Okay, so that's one part of it. Do we have anything else to discuss, like any other point that we wanted discussion on?
I think that's all for today, right?
So, in the list that we have, our meeting notes, do we have anything else, or is someone updating, the meeting notes? We'll have to put attendance as well, right?
Yeah. Kamlesh, are you accessing
Which one?
our meeting notes?
I will update.
Yeah. Okay then. Huh? Chalo, we'll see you
Okay.
next week, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Bye.
We'll connect probably in the meanwhile, because I
Yeah.
think
In
we'll have to
WhatsApp or
connect.
directly we will connect.
Yeah, in WhatsApp we can connect. But
Yes.
yeah, for here, I believe this should be good.
Yes. Bye.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.